Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we gonna be spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, goes on and on. You give me a feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
You're watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. All summer, all summer, $4-5.
So welcome back, you guys. This unit is so freaking cute. Okay, thank you Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's collaboration. You guys, I saw this wig and I was like, I have to have it. I have to have it. It's so freaking cute. Yes, I'm loving this. I am loving this hair. Okay, so it is the 4C edges, kinky straight 5x5 closure HD glueless mid part long wig, 100% human hair, and I got it in 20 inches. And here are some of the specs of this unit. It's a glueless install. Y'all know I love me glueless units. If I get a glueless wig and it says glueless on the website, I try my best to make sure the wig is glueless, you know, especially as a YouTuber. No extra work. Perfect alternative for sleek baby hair. 100% human hair, soft and durable, can be restyled and dyed, low maintenance. Finding beauty is never easier and can be a mid and a side part. So some of the specs are that this unit is 100% virgin hair from one donor. It's 20 inches. It lasts for a year or more. It's 150% density. Natural color, 4C edges, kinky edges, more natural. It can be dyed. It has adjustable straps back there, 4 combs inside, lace, and a 5x5 lace area. So you guys, this unit was definitely an easy slay. I wouldn't necessarily say a plop and go, but it will be a plop and go moving forward, because after I'm done styling it, like, I can just take it off, take it back on. I feel like the only thing that I will have to keep up with is putting, you know, the my Nairobi wrap foam on the edges just so it can lay. But y'all, this unit is giving what it's supposed to give. And I'm also loving that I can bring out my natural hair as well. So if it blows in the wind, you don't even notice, okay? So I didn't even have to tint the lace, you know, it came pre-bleached and all that good stuff. The only thing that I did, you guys, was that I put the lace on, I cut it. I struggled just a little bit with cuttings. I wanted to just make sure it would give it like the most natural effect ever. The plus side with these edges is that you can like kind of scruff them up and lay them down, you know, in different directions. I did feel like it was like a little, I don't know if it was over bleached or slightly like bald in this area. So I did go in with my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, chocolates palette, and I just went in right here just to, because I'm going to keep this unit in the middle part. I don't really see myself like moving it around. But yeah, I went in with the middle part for my foundation. Along the edges, I took out my baby hairs over here on the sides. You know, it's a 5x5 inch. Y'all, this unit is literally everything. I'm loving the density. I'm loving the texture. I did go in with my wand curler and I curled it a little bit, and that was pretty much it. I haven't experienced any tangling or shedding. I mean, it's 100% human hair wig. This is what it looks like, me putting all the hair to the back. This is what it looks like putting some of the hair to the front, and this is what it looks like putting all of the hair to the front. So it is nice and full. I'm loving the length. This unit is very, 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 very pretty, and I'm excited. I'm definitely going to be wearing this wig all summer long. Sorry, I keep looking at myself in the mirror because I can't get over it. Like, I look bomb right now, and I am loving like the natural hair units from these companies. I appreciate them, you know, taking the extra step to think about us 4C hair girls, because as we all know, it's been a little rough for us, you know, just growing up and, you know, shaping into this world with hair and things like that. So I'm loving this. Like, I genuinely love this wig, and I'm so excited about it. This unit does start on Love Me Hair's website. It's like a tongue twister. It starts at, and this is 16 inches. It starts at $219. So for my wig, it's $300. I'm not sure if I have a coupon code. If so, you guys, it will be on the screen below. But they are always running specials and things like that. They have, you know, codes and stuff on their website. Just make sure you guys check that out. But I feel like for this wig to last, you know, if it's going to last me a year and if I plan on wearing it all the time, I do feel like this unit is definitely worth the price. Like, I am loving this. I'm literally loving this. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Okay? Namaste.